Harbin Dadi Biology Organic Fertilizer Company Limited, established in the year of 2006. With about 7,000 square meters factory area, located in Harbin City, Heilongjiang Province, China. Is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of organic fertilizer granulator, organic fertilizer granules production line, including semi-wet crusher, mixer, belt conveyor, screening, rotary drum dryer, and rotary drum cooler, biomass pellets machine, feed pellets machine. With ring die and roller system construction,